Anong sabi niya? Baboy? Buffoons. Akala ko kasi siya yung sinasabi niya. Ganyan daw magsalita ang taong desperado na, naiipit na, ayaw raw isumite ni Roque ang mga dokumentong hinihingi ng Quadcom dahil mabibisto raw nasangkot siya sa Pogo at abogado siya ng mga Chinese syndicate na sangkot sa mga illegal na gawain. Kung wala raw kinalaman sa mga ito si Roque, bakit daw ito nagtatago? Ang dami raw kuda. Ang contempt at detention order ng Kamara laban kay Roque ay epektibo lang ngayong 19th Congress. Your reaction, your take on this, sir?
Gaya ng sinabi ni Tatay Digong, may panahon sa lahat. Is Barber, hindi palagi na ikay may immunity against life. Pag natapos ng termino mo, sigurado namang matatalong pamilya mo dyan sa Surigao, pananagutin kita. Promise, hindi kita atrasan.
Yung sinabi niya na baboy, baboy.
Well, hindi lang niya naintindihan ang buffoon kasi kulang yung appreciation niya sa vocabulary.
Thank you, sir.
Tama!
So ngayon po,
Kabog talaga.
meron pa rin po ba kayong request to still visit?
Yes, I still have a pending request, which has to be endorsed by Nicholas Hoffman.
Ano po ang magiging basis para maka-visit po kayo?
Well, hindi kasi ako makabisit as a potential counsel na walang consent ni Nicholas Hoffman.
So is there still a chance that you will be part of the legal team?
I do not know. Only the President can answer that question. Dahil ako naninindigan, tanging si dating Presidente Duterte lamang makakapili ng kanyang mga abogado. Wala nang iba.
Okay. Attorney Roque, wala na po ba kayo doon sa Ter Apple? Umalis na kayo doon?
Well, wala po ako ngayon sa Ter Apple, no? Inaantay ko na lang yung pangalawang interview. At matagal naman yung proseso na matagal na interview. Sabi nga nila, minimum 6 weeks wait ang interview ng second. Pero ang importante yung paghahain ng asylum at hindi naman yung approval. Dahil approval will only give me permanent residence and citizenship.
So doon sa unang interview nyo, ano yung mga tinanong sa inyo?
Confidential po ang proceedings, so I cannot tell you. But I can tell you I submitted documents as high as this to prove political persecution.
How high?
I submitted documents as high as this.
So hindi mo na roommate yung Afghani na sinasabi mo?
Wala na, linipat na siya actually. Linipat siya, and I miss him. Wala na akong roommate nung linipat siya, hindi na ako nagkaroon ng roommate.
So sinasabi niyo ngayon na talagang babalik na lang kayo on your second interview?
Kasi yung second interview naman is, well, marami kong pinangakuan doon na tutulungan. So, I will honor my word naman. Kasi nakakabag na ang dami-dami doon na hindi alam ang gagawin sa kanilang first interview. No? So, nangako naman ako that I will assist them.
Ibig niyo po sabihin yung mga asylum seekers doon na tutulungan ninyo?
Marami akong tinutulungan ngayon na asylum seekers kasi they have no idea what to expect sa interview. At yung first interview naman is preliminary interview lang to indicate kung bakit ano yung dahilan mo na ikaw kumukuha ng asylum. I'm sorry, who are you?
Joe Felpo from the Filipino Correspondent Lab.
I see. Oo.
So yun, doon po sa tinutulungan yon, alam ba to ng IND na you are going to help them as a counsel, as a lawyer?
No. I'm just helping them because I'm a human rights defender. No? So I'm always explaining what their rights are as asylum seekers. Dahil karamihan naman doon hindi talaga nakakaintindi ng salita ng either English or na mabuti sa English na nag-Google Translate pa kami.
Is this like a prelude to what a possible job here?
Well,
in The Hague or in the Netherlands?
That people of my background na matagal nang gumagalaw sa larangan ng international human rights, palaging merong pangangailangan ng iba't ibang klaseng tao. Yes, that could be a possible employment that I could find here, no?
Attorney, doon sa rules kasi, normally, na habang pending yung iyong application for asylum, dapat nandoon ka sa COA facilities. Ano yung sinabi sa iyo ng IND with regards to the rules na you are allowed to go out or live outside the facilities?
Well, hindi po. Allowed po kaming gumalaw while during the facility hanggang first interview. After the first interview, you indicate kung kinakailangan mo ng housing o hindi. And I have indicated naman na hindi ko kailangan ng housing. And they have asked for the name of the family that I will stay with. I've given them all these details.
So yung pagka hinanap ka, doon ka hanapin sa family in case that you
All the communication is
abscond.
addressed to that family. At saka, hindi po kami pwede mag-abscond because we have surrendered all our travel documents.
including your husband.
Including my passport, including my driver's license.
So hanggang Zealand ka na lang nila makakapunta dito sa
Well,
Netherlands.
I don't think it's prohibited. Kaya lang, pag tinawag ka at hindi ka dumating, mawawala yung slot mo for the second interview and that's the most important interview.
How many interviews will there be?
Okay. After that, pwede nang mabigyan or
decide.
they decide.
And then,
After how
depending
long,
on the
sir?
decision, you have judicial review.
How long will that take?
Matagal. They're saying minimum 6 weeks ang second interview.
Okay.
Pero sa more like longer than 6 weeks.
Kung halimbawa ma-facilitate ng mabilis yan, attorney, at sabi, okay, hindi na pwede mag-stay dito, ano naman yung plan B, plan C option for you?
I'll get there when I get there. Okay?
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Kasalanan ko ba yun?
Habol lang. Sir, just a question ng tungkol sa ayaw mag-open. Ayan. Kung sakaling ma-hear yung argument ng jurisdictional argument ni Attorney Kaufman, ibig sabihin ba nun, hindi na matutuloy yung confirmation of charges?
Of course. Dahil kung wala ng jurisdiction, wala ng basihan para ipagpatuloy ang pagdinig ng kaso niya.
So, it's a make or break pala kung sakaling ma-hear ka agad yun?
Yes, and I have no doubts it will be granted kasi nagkaroon na ng initial decision ng ICC sa Burundi case. Na sa Burundi, pinapatuloy ang preliminary investigation kasi nasimulan siya within the 1-year period after withdrawal. No? Dito sa atin, second year na bago humingi ng permiso para sa preliminary investigation.
Okay. Sige
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Pero, attorney, you are nakikipag-usap ka ba kay Mr. Kaufman regarding the strategies? Tinatanong ka ba niya?
Right now, hindi. Nung initial, yes. Pero umalis siya, tapos kahapon lang siya bumalik from Israel.
Sabi niya kasi kahapon, may finishing touches na lang daw yung formation of the legal
Legal
team.
team.
And we also see na meron siyang kasamang counsel na babae. Yeah.
Meron talaga. Parang case manager yung babaeng bumibisita rito, di ba? Oo. Yan.
Do you have
Kasi
an idea kung kumpleto na po yung details?
No, I have no idea. But I'm still hoping to see the President kasi si Presidente naman talaga nag-approve kung sino yung magiging legal counsels niya.
Thank you.